Step 3 is effective promotion strategies without the stress. Now, that's really why you're here. You want to know how to promote this without the stress. Okay, I got you, because this is the step that most people are the most concerned with. So let's talk about that. Okay, now let's look at this. You want to focus on one or two key platforms. I know sometimes we feel like we can be all things and multitask and be on all these platforms because you don't want to miss out. I know you have that fear of missing out. Like, if I don't post on Facebook, am I missing out on Facebook? If I'm not posting on Instagram, am I missing out on Instagram? If I'm not on YouTube, am I missing out? Look, I want you to focus on just two platforms. For me, I'm going to focus on one platform and maybe repurpose some of my content. And y'all know the platform that I'm going to focus on. Let me hear you. Let me see that in the comments, right? You know that's going to be YouTube, okay? I don't have time to try to figure out all these other people's platforms and, don't post this and it has to be a certain format. I get it, right? And I talk about social media a lot, right? Because it's important. But right now, they just make it a little rough for my life. And so I'm not going to play the game. And I'm going to tell you, you can decide to play the game if you want to, but don't try to play them all. Choose 1 to 2 platforms that you are comfortable with, you like, and you are familiar with, and work with that. Okay. The second thing is that I don't want you to sleep on email marketing. Last month, I talked about all things email marketing. You are going to make most of your coins through email marketing. So if you're not in the habit of sending out emails, this is the perfect time to get in the habit. Sit down, write your couple of emails that you need to write to promote whatever the bundles you have. Now, during the challenge, we're going to talk about those emails that you need to send out. So, but if you're not going to join the challenge, then you're going to have to go on your own on this and create those email marketing campaigns and sequences. If you missed my training last month, just go back and look at those trainings. I think I did like 3 good training videos about email marketing. You want to go back and watch those, okay? Then you want to think about your short videos for higher engagement. Now, this is where social media come in, but you know what? YouTube has shorts as well. So short form videos are on all platforms. So the reason why I want to talk about short form video is because it does get more engagement. These platforms are preferencing short form content, and our audience is used to these short, like quick tips going out, right? They like long form like I'm doing now, but they also like short form videos. So if you can create some short form videos, maybe some faceless videos, promoting your bundle, that is going to help you get higher engagement, getting your product or service in front of more people. Okay? And if you are a little bit more sociable, right, a little bit sociable than myself, and you have some friends out there that you can collaborate with or cross promote, maybe you have a product that works very well with someone else's, right? Then you can cross promote each other's products. This is a great way to get your products, your Black Friday promotions out in front of more people, okay, than you normally could. If you're in a group, a Facebook group that allows you to promote, this is a great way to promote inside of the groups as well. If you have a coach, right, like myself, who loves for you to share your information with her, she will promote your offers if it fits with her audience as well. So look at that. Don't sleep on collaborating and doing some cross promotions with other people that your products just marry very well together with. Okay.